Next, we will see the prompt engineering. What exactly the prompt engineering are and what are the techniques to implement the prompt engineering. What exactly the prompt engineering is? So it is practice of designing and refining prompts, specific inputs or query that you give to the large language model to guide it into producing the desired output. So first we'll see what exactly the prompt. So prompt is just a request to a generative AI to perform a specific task. It requires context and detailed information to produce accurate and relevant response. So that is the definition of prompt. So what are the key techniques in a prompt engineering? First one is a clear and specific prompt. Instead of asking tell me about neural network, or more specific prompt like explain the basic of neural network in simple terms suitable for a beginner, that helps the model to generate a more targetable or useful response. Next one, we are having a few shot learning. In few shot learning, you provide the model with a few example of the desired input output pairs within the prompt itself. This helps the model to understand the context and format better. After that, we are having a zero shot learning. In zero shot learning, you ask the model to perform a task without providing any example. This is useful for simpler tasks or when you want the model to generate something based on the general knowledge, like translate the following English sentence to Spanish. Fourth one, we are having a chain of thought prompting. The chain of thought prompting help encourage the model to break down complex tasks into a sequence of a smaller step or a logical reasoning process. For example, explain how the photosynthesis work by describing each step of the process in the details. Next one is intrusive prompt, providing the simple model with a clear instruction within the prompt to guide the type of response. For example, like write a short story about a space adventure but keep it under 100 words. This is the example of intrusive prompt. After that, we are having a contextual prompt, which is the last one, supplying the background information within the prompt to help the model to generate a more accurate response. For example purpose, like considering the recent advancement in AI, write a summary of how AI is impacting healthcare. So that was the example of contextual prompt. These all prompt techniques can be used in several applications like content creation, data analysis, customer support, or education and training purpose. So with the help of prompt engineering, those kind of application you can build it.